The latest collection of modern garden with a very artistic and elegant model design ideas. Welcome to our latest collection of modern gardens, where artistic and elegant design ideas come to life. In this video, we'll take you on a visual journey through some of the most stunning and innovative garden designs of today. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply seeking inspiration for your outdoor space, you won't want to miss this showcase of creativity. Step into the world of contemporary garden design with our latest collection, where we showcase the most artistic and elegant ideas to transform your outdoor space into a true masterpiece. In this video, we invite you to explore a curated selection of modern garden designs that redefine outdoor living. These gardens are a testament to creativity, blending cutting-edge concepts with timeless beauty. From sleek, minimalist layouts to lush, green paradises, you'll find a wealth of inspiration to reimagine your own garden. Our featured gardens blend the best of contemporary aesthetics with timeless elegance, creating outdoor spaces that are both functional and visually captivating. From sleek minimalist designs to lush, green paradises, you'll discover a wide range of ideas to transform your own garden into a work of art. Our showcased gardens are a symphony of creativity, seamlessly blending cutting-edge concepts with timeless sophistication. Whether you have a compact urban space or a sprawling estate, these designs offer inspiration to transform your garden into a true masterpiece. We explore these breathtaking gardens, highlighting the unique elements and design principles that make each one a masterpiece. Whether you're looking for ideas for a small urban oasis or a sprawling estate, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop on the latest trends in modern garden design. Together, let's explore the world of artistry and elegance as we delve into the beauty of modern gardens.